What's good, Grill Gainz? Today we're doing 5 completely different dry rubs, 5 different chicken thighs. I'm not gonna tell you which one wins, that part's on you. Let's get into it. First up, we have that classic barbecue seasoning rub. Smoked paprika, brown sugar, onion powder, garlic powder, and a little heat with the cayenne. Finish it with salt and pepper. Next, we have the Cajun rub. Same paprika base, but a little bit more spicy. Start with smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, oregano, cayenne pepper, thyme, salt, pepper. Give it a good mix. Next up, we have a lemon herb rub. Start with that oregano, thyme, rosemary, onion powder, lemon zest, garlic powder, salt, pepper. Next we have a curry rub. Yeah, I do it all. Start with curry powder, turmeric, ginger powder, cumin, and cayenne, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. For the final rub, we have salt, pepper, and garlic. And sometimes that's all you need. Add some oil and then rub it into your thighs. 1 rub per thigh. Coat them all over and press it in so it sticks throughout the cook. Let's get our fire started. To the grill. All 5 on there at once. This is the shot right here. Grill them for a few minutes over direct heat to set the rubs in and get those nice grill marks. Then over to the cool side to finish through gently. Pull them at 175 and let them rest. And here's where it pays off. Just look at the difference in colors. We did 5 rubs with 5 completely different looks on the same grill. Here are 5 ways to never grill a boring chicken thigh again. 5 dry rubs, 1 cook. And now you have options next time you fire up the grill. Drop a comment and tell me which one you throw on the grill first. I'm curious to see which one will win. I have an opinion. I'm not going to say it until I see some answers though. I appreciate you watching and I'll catch you in the next one.